Pan Mee Noodle Chili Sauce. Hey, this is the moment of magic. Silky handmade noodles meet fiery tangy chili sauce. One dip, one bite, and you're hooked. But what made this sauce so addictive? Let's uncover the secret. Well, let's create this Pan Mee Noodle Chili Sauce that's sure to tantalize your taste bud. And let me tell you, the star of this show is a fiery lime Pan Mee Chili Sauce that will leave you wanting more. But before we dive into the recipe, let's uncover the secrets behind this incredible chili sauce. It's a family recipe passed down through generations, and it's the key to unlock the true magic of Pan Mee noodles. Let's get started with all the core ingredients to make this chili sauce. You can see the ingredient list in the show note below. First step, let's prepare the aromatics. Today we're using 2 green chilies, 2 red chilies, and 6 green chili berries, which is we call it bird-eye chilies. In any chili-based sauce, balance is key. The way you handle your chilies affects not just the heat, but the depth of flavor. Do it wrong and you will get overpowering spice or unwanted bitterness. Do it right and you get that perfect harmony of heat, aroma, and freshness. Always choose the firm chilies. The skin should be smooth, with no wrinkles or soft spots. These pack the best flavor. Always wash your chilies before cutting, and make sure you wear the food-grade glove when you're handling the chilies, no matter what kind of chili that you are doing. They often have dust or pesticide residue, so make sure you really clean it thoroughly. Here's where the magic happens. The seeds and white membrane in the chili. Yeah, that's where most of the heat lives. Want a milder sauce? Remove them. Want a fiery kick? Leave some in. An easy trick is use a pair of scissors to cut into half and scrape using a spoon or using your glove to scrape out all the seeds quickly. No mess, no fuss. Now another tips. You probably can't imagine or believe it. The cut matters too. Diagonal slices release more flavor into sauces, while straight cuts are great for even cooking. For Pan Mee noodle chili sauce, smaller chunks blend better. Let's prepare the next ingredient, 2 limes. Juice out all the delicious lime juice for our chili sauce later. Next step, let's toast some belacan. Belacan is the soul of Malaysian cuisine, a fermented shrimp paste that adds an irresistible depth of umami to dishes. While various regions produce belacan, Penang belacan is the gold standard due to its superior quality. Make sure you must buy the belacan made from Penang, Malaysia. Its balanced flavor, bold yet refined, sets it apart, making it the choice of seasoned cooks like myself. And today's chili sauce, we will use only 1 inch big of belacan and put it into our favorite frying pan. I also include the Hexclad frying pan affiliate links in the show note below. With this dry toasting, no oil, include the 4 chopped shallots and 3 garlic cloves. Dry toasting is key. These simple steps unlocks its smoky, nutty aroma. Once our aromatics are toasty and fragrant, now we can start to blend. Into the food processor, here we go. Toasted belacan, garlic, shallots. And let's close the lid and blend it. Add in all our 3 combo chilies into the food processor. 2 tablespoons of hot water. Blend until a coarse paste forms. After a couple minutes, now you can see it's a coarse paste of our chili sauce, not a super smooth puree. Texture is key. Now add in all of our 2 limes juice. See, perfectly chunky. Now let's season our chili sauce. 2 tablespoons of custard white sugar. 2 tablespoons of Thai fish sauce. Fish sauce for that salty umami. Close the food processor lid and do the final blitz of everything of our chili sauce. We mix everything together, making sure all the flavors are well combined. Now for the most important part, the taste test. This is where we adjust the seasoning to our preference. For this recipe, that is perfect for me. The heat, the tang, the umami is all there. My grandmother will be proud. This chili sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. But make sure your container is clean and dry before you pour in all the chili sauce, so you can enjoy a taste of Malaysia anytime you want. I hope you give this recipe a try and experience the magic of my family's fiery lime chili sauce for pan mee noodles. Just a spoonful of this chili sauce, and your pan mee noodle will be transformed. It's a taste of Malaysia, a taste of my home. If you love both flavors, give this a try and let me know how spicy do you like it. Let's recap my pan mee noodle chili sauce recipe, or you can go to hankery.com for a print out recipe. But wait! There's more! In my next video, we are taking things up to a notch by making these delicious green chili pickles. They are the perfect topping for Malaysian wonton hor on any noodles, adding a burst of tangy heat that will elevate your noodle game to a whole new level. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any upcoming recipe. See you in the next video.